Hello, friends. So, today I am here at MR South on a road trip. This road trip is basically about roaming around inside the community and looking around how the community has developed. So, this is MR South, you can see on my right, and here we go. So, when we talk about MR is basically the top developer over here in Dubai, and not only in Dubai. I have discussed in my previous videos as well about MR South, and MR is one of the best property developer in Dubai, plus it has got good name across the world. It is known for its timely delivery, quality, and of course location matters. So this is MR South. Now what I will do is I will show you the developments so far, what is exactly done. So MR South is located near Al Maktoum International Airport. Al Maktoum International Airport is one of the biggest airport across the world and biggest airport in the Gulf region. So this is 5 minutes away from there, and right now we are proceeding towards the developments. I can see some of the low rise houses. Actually these are Urbana on my right. If you see, this is Urbana 2. Now we are going straight towards end of the road. Basically on my right you can see there is a slide right. So this is Urbana 2. Urbana 2 is basically townhomes. It consists of 2 beds and 3 beds, basically townhomes, and it's shared with basically 6 and 4 clusters, and it has got very good finishing. I will show you the layout. I have made another video for that, and I'll post that video as well tomorrow about the quality, about the inside area, about the layouts. Everything will be discussed over there. So you can see the road was closed. I'm taking a U-turn over here. Now I'm going on the other side of the road, and we'll look forward what are the other communities which has been developed. You can see Urbana was completely, like, all the construction was done. It is ready to move in. So handover is only pending, I think, or they are doing the handover as well. So on my right it is Golf Links. In Golf Links you can see it is a villa, basically contemporary villas. So if I'm talking about the villas, mostly they are standalone. You can see those villas are already constructed, ready to move in. Since it is not handed over completely, so I'm not going to move inside completely. I'm just taking a U-turn from here, but I can see it's all ready to move in. It's all complete. Nothing you can see that okay, any construction is going on. It's ready. So if you're investing in these properties, it's ready to go. Now I'm moving out of Golf Links, and what I will do is I will take more round till where I am permitted, and when I take right, you can see on my right there is a building coming up. So this is Golf Views. This has 1 bed to 4 bed apartments. These apartments are also completely ready. You can see it's all done. Golf View. So construction is already done. It's just ready for handover. Mostly because of pandemic, we all know that everything got delayed. Not only from anyone, it's just the natural thing that everything was delayed. So now I am proceeding towards straight end of the road again. Earlier we saw Urbana 2. Now we have Urbana 1 and Urbana 3. You can see the roads was closed on the right hand side because of the construction site. It is a huge community. MR has not only developed one community, it has developed many communities: Meadows, Springs, Views. Then you have Marina, Downtown. You name the community, Dubai Creek Harbor. So many communities they have developed, and they are managing it well. They are known for post sale service. Post sale service, that means basically managing a community at a great professional level. I have never seen any kind of my customer or any tenant who was not satisfied with the community management of MR. They developed the community and they manage it very well. So you can see the road was closed. I have took a left turn from here. On my right, again, it is a construction site. Once this construction site gets opened for the public, I'll be able to show you more over there. So here it says I have to take a U-turn again. Again, the road is closed. So MR South is basically a joint venture between MR and Dubai South. So on my right, this is Urbana 1. You can see every townhome, it is completely ready to move in. Great view, and you can see trees are already lined up symmetrically, of course. So MR, you can see one of the famous project of MR is Burj Khalifa, which was developed by MR. Dubai Mall, developed by MR. They have developed the landmarks basically. Now this is Urbana 1. Again, it is not allowed so far inside. So I'll take back to Urbana 3 now. You can see people are not living here at the moment, but yes, it is completely ready. And this has got swimming pool, gym, you have parks inside the community itself. I'll not be able to show all these things at the moment because of the pandemic. Everything is closed. So I'm taking just the overview of everything. Now this is Urbana 3. I really like Urbana because on the ground floor you have actually 3-bedroom kind of villa, townhouse, and upstairs you have 2-bedroom townhouse, basically townhome we call it, because it is shared between both the two different families, and it is very cost effective. There is still very much spacious. Now I'm almost ending this road trip for MR South, because in my next video I'll show you the sample villas which are ready made by MR to showcase how the quality would be and how the layout would be. So in my next video I will show you the townhomes, Urbana, then golf links, and there is one more townhouse. So there are various different kind of variations within those sample villas. You need to decide on what is your requirement for your family to purchase, or if you're looking for investment, then of course you can consult with me. I can explain the investment proportions and how your investment would look like for next 1 year, for 5 years, for 10 years. I can give you the complete calculation how good it would be. So give me a call and let me know if you want any more information. I'll be happy to answer those. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.